question on the board. It says, is liver illness associated with some Middah in particular? Thank you, Rabbi.
Maybe yes, maybe no. I mean, of course, Rambam will tell you, right? He would look at a person's eyes. He had a very long line. He would come to people and will look at their eyes, right? And from the pupil of the eye, he can say what person have and what mitzvah do or not to do. So I would not know. Since that time, I think we don't have this knowledge. But sometimes it's because of the diet, because people bad choices of the diet. Some people try to save money. Unfortunately, I don't know people like that. They live a very poor life, and I'm not talking about this person, but I'm in general. I know family, and they try to give the best to children. She unfortunately, the lady is sick. I mean, right? She cannot work. She has to take care of the children. He's working on a factory. So fortunately, in this country does not make harder. So they try to save on the food. So to give to the kids. And she developed some sickness, and he also, unfortunately. Right? So it's not because of the reincarnation, but not because of this and that, but sometimes it's because some other circumstances. Right. So and we must remember. So our body was given us to keep the soul. So the soul is very important, but soul can only operate if we have a healthy body. Understand? So we have to take care of our bodies, like not taking 17 vitamins, this omega-3 oil 7 times a day, like whatever normal. If doctor, for example, somebody went to a doctor, and they said that they have to take this iron, so like liquid form. So person said, should I take it? Should I eat this? I said, look, doctor told you to take iron because that's what is missing from your body. They look at the the blood test report. So that's what you must take. Why are you doubting this person, this doctor? I know the doctor. So the doctor is, the 30 years doctor. So they tell it to take iron. You take iron. They take it, tell it to do this. Like it's, you must do that. You understand? So in order to keep healthy, and again, you say the blessing before you're taking pills or this medicine, whatever you take. Say HaShem. Of course, they all refer from you. So I'm taking this pill. I don't believe in the pill, but I believe in you. But of course, I'm not on such a big level that you're going to make a miracle just like that, because I know who I am. So, but let's pretend, because I'm going to take this pill. My cholesterol is going to go. Let's pretend. But I know it's from you, HaShem. But for other people, it's just because doctor would not believe. For doctor, I'm going to take this pill. Understand? Okay. What else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.